Choose the dataset you want to filter and click on the Filter tool on the right side panel. Then scroll down to find Analysis Filters and click on the Open Analyze tool to start word and topic analysis filters generation. It might take a moment, so go get some coffee in the meantime. When the generation is done, you can go back to Filters and see that Analysis Filters have been activated. To use word analysis filters, click on Toggle Switch to enable it, and then you can either choose from the list or write down the concepts you want to include. When you're done, click Apply. And here's the filtered list. To delete all word analysis filters, click Reset and click on the toggle switch to disable them. You can do the same with the topic analysis filters. Click on the toggle switch to activate, then browse through the list, choose relevant topics, and click Apply. And that's how you filter with analysis filters.